Today we have a 2000 Mercedes-Benz E320 Silver. Front bumper's good. Headlamp, front lamp are good. Side markers are good. Hood is good. Driver's side fender is good. Driver's side front door is good. Driver's side rear door is good. Driver's side quarter is messed up on the wheel well, no good. Rear bumper is good. Driver's side tail lamp, inner and outer, is good. Deck lid is good. Passenger side inner tail lamp is good. Outer is broken. Passenger quarter, no good. Passenger rear door is good. Passenger front door is good. Passenger fender is good. Engine, transmission are good. All engine components are good. Driver's side trim panel is ripped, no good. Driver's side front seat, big rip, no good. Passenger seat is alright. Passenger trim panel is good.